Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and in this model it doesn't really matter if we will be on the photo or the video mode because both of the options from both modes are in one place. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the section with the video settings. Let's tap on the video resolution, and as you can see we've got three different options from which we can choose. Both of the options we've got 16 to 9, I mean the ratio is 16 to 9, and the only difference is 1080p or 720p, or we've got the full screen option, which simply means that the camera will be elongated to the full screen. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use, and if you want to change it, simply tap on the option, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. What's more, usually with the resolution, and there is frame rate which is connected with the resolution. So we can tap on it. As you can see in the full screen we've got only 30 frames per second. Let's check if we can change it in any option. As you can see, unfortunately in this device we cannot do it, so for all the options we will have 30 frames per second. What's more, as you can see, it is recommended to keep the 1080p option with 16 to 9 ratio because it is the best possible here. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.